Good evening, everyone. Our discussion topic is Western culture must be adopted by us, yes or not. Basically, what is culture? Culture is, we can say, the word to way of life, the way we do things. For example, our food habits, then what we wear, how we wear it, then music, art, architecture, and millions of other things are like encompasses the bottom culture. And when it comes to Western culture, it has different characteristics, which include rational thinking, individualism, then scientific thinking, modern technology, and Western culture is is getting like spreading itself and spreading its influence all over the world.
What is education? What is Western culture? The culture which is followed by Western people is Western culture, like countries like America, Spain, Canada, and the culture is real identity of people, nation, and lifestyle, mainly lifestyle. It is not a culture that defines who we are.
Yeah, the oldest and unique culture of India shows an amazing cultural diversity throughout the country. And the south, the northeast have their own distinct cultures, and almost every state has carved out its own cultural places. India has a very vast country, and the culture of India is a unique in the world, and the variety of geographical features and climatic conditions also make Indian culture very unique. That's it for now.
Now, I will further like to introduce today's topic. As we all know, Western culture sometimes equated with Western civilization, or Western lifestyle, or European civilization, and it is a term used very broadly to refer to a heritage of social norms and ethical values and political systems and specific artifacts and technologies that have some origin or association with Europe. And when Western culture is not for us to send out missionaries to foreign peoples, and it is our task to build up our own culture.
But I think we can like adopt some of things from Western culture. For example, their professionalism. Those people are highly professional and they don't interfere their personal life with their professional life. Also, if you think about the other habits like cleanliness, they maintain their surroundings very clean and they don't throw single piece of paper anywhere in the public place or car. So we can adopt this positive things from Western culture. Other thing also traffic rules. They strictly follow their traffic rules. So these are many things we can adopt from Western culture.
I'm partially agree with you, ma'am. If you're talking about the traffic rule, if you compare with the population between us and other countries, so India has the longest population. Because of that, traffic can't be controlled. And India has their own quality and importance of their Indian culture. Like we believe in diversity and also the value of non-violence, value of peace.
When it comes to traffic rules, we do not follow any rule unless and until policeman is there. And this is true. I have seen many examples that people stand at signal, and if policeman is there, they follow that rule. But otherwise, they're I don't know why they're rushing behind. But I think that unless and until policeman is there, we Indians we do not follow traffic rules.
Yes, the people from Western countries, they don't interfere into others' life because they give importance to their own desires, needs, wants, and happiness. Because nobody has a time to interfere others' life and think to other people what they think of them. Because everyone is busy in their businesses. That is the good thing.
I'm not agree with him because we all know that why should we agree Western culture? The Indian culture has their own importance and quality. Because if you're talking about uh, the Indian culture is the oldest and richest culture everywhere. and they are also adopting our culture, and the Western people are curious to know about Indian culture.
Many people think that if we talk about youth, they find it like cool and modern. That's why they are very fond of this culture. But if we think about other aspects, I think it makes a person independent.
Mm-hmm.
If like presenting yourself, then like presenting your thoughts. Where when it comes to Indian culture, people are not so open-minded, I think.
Mm-hmm.
So this open-mindedness we can adopt from this Western culture. Actually, we have already adopted at some point of time.
I don't think we should adopt the culture of Western, because independent. If we in joint family, we take suggestion from everywhere,
Mm-hmm.
from every person. What should we do? What can we do? And it gives a right way to. It can guide us in right way. And they believe in single family. We believe in joint family, and joint family is always better than single family.
Okay.
I have found two parts also.
Uh-huh.
Adapting Western culture is not a problem,
Mm-hmm.
but one should be very careful whether they are adopting is good or bad as per the current social standard.
Mm-hmm.
So just copying Western culture won't work.
Okay,
We
just
should
copy.
find out
Mm-hmm.
false. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I am totally agreed to Anuradha ji
Mm-hmm.
because other things have impacted our culture. For example, if we take the example of our uh, clothing, we follow more foreigner brands instead of following our Indian brands. Somewhere we need to preserve our values, our culture also. When it comes to music, we don't if we talk about Indian classical music, I don't think children nowadays they know about Indian classical music. They listen to raps, they listen foreign music, Western music. Same thing goes with dance also, dance form. Like very few people know about Kathak, Bharatnatyam, and other many dance forms which are originated from India. They know hip hop, locking, popping, this kind of dance form. So, like many things have impacted our own culture, and we should preserve our values and our system.
Yes,
I'm
Neha.
agree. And
Yeah.
nowadays, in functions or parties, youth are in drastic steps by taking drinks or smoke because they think it is fashion, and but it is not good for their health, and it is not our culture. And these are the bad impact of Western culture on the Indian youth. They don't think these things are harmful for themselves. They just copying bad things by Western culture. What people are doing there.
Because of Western culture, people are forgetting their own culture, and it should not be happen. That is very bad. And Western culture has had quite an influence in Indian. So, but it has its pros and cons too. There are many good things. One of the most important and positive point of Western culture is that it had access to science and technology before many other cultures. So Western Europe and US also had industrialization before more other countries. So that's a huge reason that immigrants go to the US for study.
Right. We should not judge one based on their clothing or based on their dressing style, because a person wear clothes according to occasions, according to situations. Nowadays, if you think about corporates,
Okay.
so the formals, it has originated from Western culture, right? The suits, the blazers
Mm-hmm.
comes under the formal attire. It is originated from Western culture, and they have adopted that. There is nothing wrong, like adopting their clothing style and all, but judging based on those things is not good. We should judge person depending on how does that person thinks or how that person behaves, but not on clothes. Okay, so I think we discussed this just now, that independence. at the age of 18, they allow their children to, to live separate and to live their life and on their own. But I think that at, at this stage, the children or the kids are not more able to decide that what is right or what is wrong. And most of, I have read somewhere that 40% of Western people are drug addicted because of maybe this can be the thing because there must be someone to guide them or to to suggest them what is right, what is wrong. So I
Okay.
think that this should not be adopted by us, or they should change this thing.
Okay, great. Fine. Well done. Okay, let's have the
I would,
final. Yeah, Pranjal, let's have the final line. What do you think about this whole scenario? Yeah.
I would like to share another point. They are open-minded in nature. They allow girls to go jobs. They provide education to girls, and it will help to her family support and being independent. And it will help to remove our shortcomings of our Indian culture. So it is a good thing
Very good.
because some of not all families are doing this, but some of the family don't allow the girls to go job.
Mhm. That's
So, Western culture is not bad, but don't forget our own culture. Means in Western culture, people rarely care for the old ones. Them always we do, but nowadays people are getting busy, and that's why they are adopting the means to keep old parents in old age home, and which is not our culture. And means adapting Western culture is not a bad problem, but one should be very careful whatever we adapting is good or bad.
bad. Okay.
I would like to say that Western culture and Indian culture are both right on their place because there are some advantages of Western culture and some disadvantages of Western culture. It depends on us how we take. And Western people are very polite with their everyday life. That's why they have three magical words like sorry, thank you, and please. So that thing we should
Okay, so I think that like there is nothing wrong in adopting different culture, but we must preserve our own values also, because India has a diverse, like India is the oldest culture, but there is nothing wrong in adopting some positives from Western culture. Um, so I think that if we should adopt some positive things from Western culture for our betterment, for our growth, and that's it. Like
Okay.
we should adopt positive things from Western culture while preserving our own values.
Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting and learning updates.